Hi, I'm Sarah from Knit a Bit of Whimsy, and today I'm talking about the right cable or RC stitch. This is one that you'll find used in my Country Girl bandana cowl, and it's differentiated because we want to be able to work this crisscross stitch in both in the flat and in the round because of using the short rows for the bandana cowl shaping. Now it's a fairly simple stitch. It's worked in pairs, and we're simply going to grab the second stitch on our left hand needle, knit that as normally as you can, and then knit the first stitch. And that's when you can remove both from your needle. So again, you knit the second stitch first, then work the first stitch, and then you can remove both from your left hand needle. And that's all there is to it. I'll show you one more time. Insert in the front as much as you can that second stitch, and then knit the first stitch. And it gives you can see the nice crisscross kind of basket weave a pattern there. Thanks so much for watching. You can find more tips, tricks, and patterns at knitabitofwhimsy.com.